Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitsa Baja, and I am the seller of the MSA Home. So today naman, ituturo ko kayo sa aming 2-bedroom model unit na 65.50 square meters. Okay pa? Hello po sa kamusta po kayo. So I hope napanood niyo yung first video ko about kay The Valoran Tower. So ito right now, itutur ko kayo in one of our model unit dito kay The Valoran. So this one is a 2-bedroom unit na 65 square meters. So tara, pakita ko sa inyo. So this one is a type A, 2-bedroom unit na pagpasok mo, medyo makimibigla kayo, medyo malawak po itong unit na to. So nasa left side ko yung kitchen area. Okay, so for the kitchen area, this is a upgraded unit. So yung delivery, yung deliverables natin are nandun sa contract, and iba yung color niya. So pero yung countertop is it's the same. So ganito yung, para lang just to give you an idea kung how we upgrade our model unit. So included din sa turnover yung mga kitchen cabinets natin, and then medyo malawak yung kitchen area natin. And then, on this side naman, dito naman yung ating dining area. So, dito nakalagay yung 4-seater. So, pero I think kaya i-maximize kasi may space pa dito. Pwede yan mga 6-seater eh. And then, ang kagandahan dito sa unit na to, this one has a big living area. So, kita nyo naman yung living area natin. Nandito yung entertainment system natin. And then yung yung sofa natin, and meron ka pang parang pwede ka maglagay ng lazy boy dito eh. And then ang kagandahan nito, nandito yung toilet and bath natin. So sa toilet and bath natin, this one is a 5.80 square meters. Okay, so medyo upgraded din itong model unit, itong toilet and bath natin, pero malaki yung toilet and bath natin. Plus nandito sa labas din yung ating storage para sa washing machine area. Okay? So now we go to the bedroom 2. Dito po sa project na to, sliding door. Okay? Ang bedroom 2 natin. Okay? So mas malaki rin yung size ng bedroom natin dito. So it can fit, this one is a double bed. Okay? So yung standard kasi natin minsan dun sa mga existing natin yung bedroom 2, it can only fit a maximum siguro customized, 'di ba? Pero a 1-bedroom bed, double bed, pwede yan. Pero dito bunk beds pala dito, double bed kaya na. And then now we go to the master bed. So this is the bedroom 1. So medyo malaki itong space na to. And then siya rin yung may access kay balcony. So now we go outside to the balcony. So makikita ninyo sa balcony, malaki yung balcony natin. So this one is a 8.50 square meters na balcony. So malawak siya. Okay? So yun, ang kagandahan nito, you can put dito may mga outdoor chairs pa, 'di ba? Pag magko-coffee kayo, ganun, 'di ba? Ayan, so that concludes our room tour for this 2-bedroom model unit natin. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, okay, you want to see this actual unit, model unit, nandiyan yung mga numbers ko po naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, and also pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing, okay? So thank you very much for watching po, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, eh, mananotify kayo. So thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.